how to fix your phone if you can't hear calls unless speaker is on. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling to hear calls on your phone unless the speaker is on, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to fix this issue so you can use your normal experience again. So let's get started. First thing first, you need to make sure that your sound volume is turned all the way up. In order to find out, you need to swipe down from the top right of your screen and then you need to go ahead and slide the volume up. This will help you ensure you hear all your calls as clearly as possible. Now, we need to go ahead and check our Bluetooth settings. In order to check that, you need to simply go ahead and make sure that the Bluetooth is toggled off. If your Bluetooth is on, your phone might be routing audio to another device like a headset. So you need to go ahead and toggle off Bluetooth to eliminate that possibility as well. Now let's dive into accessibility. In order to do that, you need to go to your settings. Once you are here, you need to scroll down to accessibility and simply tap on that. From here, we need to go ahead and tap on touch options and we need to scroll down, and from here you can see an option that says call audio routing. Make sure that call audio routing has been set to automatic. This ensures that all your calls will route through your phone earpiece instead of speaker or Bluetooth headset. Now, next we'll head back to accessibility. Once we are here, you need to simply scroll down and tap on audio and visuals option. You need to scroll down and then you need to toggle off phone noise cancellation. If you are in the busy area, turning this off can sometimes help you hear better during the calls. And that's it. You should now be able to hear your calls without needing to use the speakerphone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.